This social media strategy will make clients beg to work with you instead of the other way around. Okay, instead of you having to chase them, people are going to be begging to work with you after you implement this content strategy. Okay, so if you're an online coach, you probably know by now you need some sort of social media presence to be able to get more clients. Everyone's saying this and you're just confused because you've never created content before, or you're just starting and do not know a lot about social media. In this video, I want to run you through a simple content strategy you can use so you can get more clients through your content. And by the way, I've been in this content creation game for about 4+ years now, so I know what I'm speaking about. Got 2 of my clients to 100k followers, got myself to 22k followers on TikTok, was getting 10 million views every single month, made money through social media for my offer, and my clients have made a lot of money through the strategy that I'm about to go through. So I know what I'm speaking about, and this strategy is not trying to go viral all of the time. This is what you may think you need to do, but you don't. Views do not actually equate to cash, and you'll find that out in a minute. But it's a simple strategy that will guarantee you can scale your coaching offer past the 10 to 15k a month mark, which you're probably stuck at right now. So you're probably stuck at a 10 to 15k plus a month mark. You just want to scale past that. This is for you, and it's going to help you scale past that. Okay, and it's not complex at all, and I guarantee if you actually take action on it, you will succeed. Okay, so let's get into it. So first of all, you need to realize why people are actually on social media. There's 3 reasons why people are on social media. First is to be entertained, second is to learn, and third is to get inspired. Okay, so you need to use this as leverage. Okay, so only create content that does these 3 things: that entertains people, that teaches people, and that inspires people. So the content strategy for Instagram. So this is what we mainly focus on in Instagram and another platform which I'll go through in a minute. But Instagram to get attention is our main focus. We don't really use TikTok. We don't really use YouTube Shorts. What you can post on YouTube Shorts is completely up to you. But focus on Instagram, okay? So what we do and what I suggest you doing is posting 6 times a week. You can have Sunday off, you can even post 5 times a week if you really want to, but 5 to 6 short form videos a week, okay, on Instagram you need to post. And 4 out of the 6 posts will be valuable pieces of content. And what I mean by this is just giving value, okay? Speaking directly to your ideal client, understanding their pains, understanding where they truly want to get to, and just helping them get a small win so it builds up trust with them, okay? 2 out of the 4 of these valuable posts will be ManyChat sequences, and these are super important. And basically what a ManyChat sequence is you can set it up. It's linked with Instagram and it's an automation platform. At the end of these videos you can say something like comment the word keyword, and I'll send you over a free training on exactly how to your ideal client's desired outcome. And when someone comments that keyword, you can set up this ManyChat sequence. So beforehand, before people comment that word, you can set up this ManyChat sequence, and it's gonna first of all send them over the free training. Second of all, grab their email and add it to your email list, and you can send email campaigns if you really want to. And third of all, start conversations. And conversations are important because you can just book people on calls from them. Okay, so this ManyChat sequence is super important. I've got a whole other video on my YouTube channel going through how to set up the ManyChat sequence, and I'll leave it above on the screen here. So over here you'll be able to click on it and it will go to it, but don't watch that until after this video. But yeah, 2 of the 4 will be ManyChat sequences, and this is just so it starts conversations, it warms people up, and it leads people over to the next stage of your funnel, which I'll speak about in a minute. And the last 2 would be inspiration/entertainment pieces of content. These can just be lifestyle, these can be trying to even go viral, being controversial, inspiring people, entertaining people, showing people about what you do to inspire them, etc. Okay, and your journey, for example. Okay, so altogether 6 posts a week, and only 2 are valuable. Only 2 are lifestyle, entertainment, and inspiration pieces of content. Okay, and you're also on Instagram stories. You're going to post 1 to 5 times a day. Okay, so what you're going to do is post value on your story. So give value on your stories. You're going to offer your offer. I would say offer your offer around every couple days, or just offer your offer on your Instagram story. You're going to post whenever you get clients results, post them on your stories and add it to your Instagram highlight, which should say clients results. And you're also going to post lifestyle. So let's just say you're on holiday, post that. Let's just say you're at the gym, post that. Are you at the gym today? Poll, post that. for example, just do that lifestyle post, which builds a connection with your ideal client. Okay, so that's the Instagram strategy. So what you're going to do is post 6 times a week. You're going to post 4 out of the 6 would be valuable, 2 out of the 4 would be ManyChat sequences, and the last 2 would be inspiration or entertainment pieces of content. Post on Instagram stories 1 to 5 times a day, and this doesn't take a long time, okay? It just takes 2 seconds to set this up and post a story, okay? That's the Instagram strategy. Really simple scales and fancy fails. And the next stage of your funnel should be YouTube, okay? So you need YouTube within your funnel to warm prospects up, because you can either have YouTube or email. I prefer YouTube. You can also use email to hit them from another angle, but we're not going to go through that today. But trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something, and you can't build up trust through 30 to 60 second clips because of the 7-hour rule. And the 7-hour rule states that it takes approximately 7 hours for a prospect to turn into a paying client. So someone needs to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they even consider buying from you. Okay, and it just won't work through 30 to 60 second clips. So what you're going to do is post on YouTube 1 time a week minimum. Okay, I post every day on YouTube, so post 1 time a week on YouTube. And what you're going to post is attention content, and this is just trying to get attention using trends within your niche to get attention. So for example, if you look up on YouTube your niche on the search bar, you can see what's done really well. Copy that video, copy the titles, of course, don't copy the video, but copy the titles, etc. And this is just to get attention, more attention onto you and your offer. And the next is nurturing content, and this is positioning your unique process that you sell as the best. So you should have a unique mechanism, and what you really need to realize is your content should make sure people know that your process is the new way for them to reach their goals. People don't want to buy something that they've already tried and it hasn't worked. So you need to position your process as the new way for them to reach their goals and the best way. So you can do this within your content, and you can always speak about your process, minus the magnify your content funnel. You don't just stick a name on it. You have to actually run people through it. Okay, give insights into it. Of course, don't give it all the way for free, but give insights into it. And this will build up so much more trust with your ideal client, and it will make them know that you have a new way for them to reach their goals. Okay, and the last but not least is social proof content. And by the way, nurturing content can be value as well, so you can just give value within your industry as well. Just for make sure you know that. And social proof content is going through clients' results, hopping on interviews with clients, running through client case studies, just to build up trust. Because if you have proof of concept, you're going to do super well. Even if it's a tiny bit of proof of concept, which you should have if you're making 10 to 15k a month, like, and you want to scale, you should have some proof of concept. So make sure you use that as leverage, okay? And a video sales letter is the last piece of content, okay? So a video sales letter is a bit different than your normal YouTube videos. The main goal of this is to sell the call, not the service. Sell the call. So people book in a call. So it's going to be a bit different. It's going to speak about your story, how you got into what you're doing right now, and what the trials and tribulations you went through, relate to your ideal client, rub salt in the wounds of your ideal client's problems, position your solution as the problem solver, and then implement some client case studies, and then offer the call at the end, and offer your offer, and have kind of like a little hard pitch at the end. Don't make it too hard pitch, but have a hard pitch at the end that makes people book in calls, okay? And whenever you post a YouTube video, what I want you to do is post it on your Instagram stories to promote it. So you want to lead everyone over to Instagram, to YouTube. I know I've heard a lot of people say, oh, people want to watch Instagram and people want to watch YouTube. No, that's not the case. People want to watch both, okay? I'm telling you right now, people want to watch both. And I prefer long form, but I still watch short form, okay? So make sure you lead people over to long form to build up that trust needed, okay? And what I want you to do is focus on Instagram to get attention and YouTube to nurture that attention. So your Instagram content can be a bit more broad, but I still want you to understand your ideal client and get your messaging dialed in so you speak directly to them and only get ideal clients onto your page. So you can do it a little bit more broad so it reaches a bit more people, but make sure it's still specific to your ideal client. And then YouTube can build up trust with prospects, okay? And once every couple of days, I want you to post your offer on your story. Be like, I'm looking for 3 more so-and-sos to, if they want to do so-and-so, 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 DM me the word so-and-so, and I'll send over some more information, okay? So for example, for me, I'm looking for 3 or more online coaches who want to build one-of-one personal brands completely done for you, who want to get 15 to 30 qualified book calls a month guaranteed. DM me the word content and I'll send over some more information, okay? Next is the ad strategy. So what I want you to realize, and don't get scared by ads, because it's not the normal ads that you're used to. It's not the $300 per lead ads. It's not none of them, okay? Don't run them yet. Don't run them. But you shouldn't be relying on the algorithm to get ideal clients onto your page on a daily basis, because sometimes it's up and sometimes it's down, and you cannot rely on that. Okay, you need a consistent way of waking up to leads so who you can reach out to and set on calls, okay? So what you need to have is a simple Instagram profile visit ad. So a simple Instagram profile visit ad will do exactly this, okay? So you're going to set up an ad. I've got a video on my YouTube page going through how to set them up, but this is kind of like the script structure. You're going to call out your ideal client. You're going to list 3 to 5 pain points. You're going to use case studies as leverage. You're going to ask them to follow you, and they're going to follow you, okay? So what you're going to do is run this at $15 to $30 a day, and you're going to test these. So what you're going to do is run one for 2 weeks, see how it performs, and if it doesn't perform well, so if the cost per profile visit is quite low, that means it's performing well. If it's high, turn that off and test a new creative and test a new script, and make sure you're just tracking it on your ads tracker. And then test these ads, see which ones works. You're going to find one that does super well, go all in on it, and then you can create new ads to run with that one ad once you scale, okay? So once you've built up a decent audience through the one ad and decent audience in general, you can set up retargeting ads. And these ads are simply just retargeting anyone who has been on your Instagram profile. And these people are probably warm because they've interacted with your content. They're probably warm. So you need to retarget them. And this is just another way to hit them from another angle to warm them up. So what you're going to do is start off with 2 retargeting ads. One, just offering your offer straight up. And this will be for the more people who are really warm. So looking for 3 or more online coaches who want me to build their personal brand, create content ideas for them, edit their content, help implement a system which guarantees 15 to 30 qualified appointments a month. Reply with content and I'll send over some more information. So set up that one. And retargeting ads are a bit complicated, but I've got a video on that on my page. I'll try and link it up here. So you can watch it, but don't watch it yet, okay? And also you're going to offer a free training as a retargeting ad. So same structure, just say reply with content and I'll send you over a free training on exactly how to do so, okay? So you need to change this up a bit. Of course, tailor it towards your industry because this is the same one as this one, but just offer a free training. And this will retarget everyone and people will DM you the keyword and boom, that it will send over the free training, okay? So the Instagram profile visit ad will get ideal clients onto your page every single day who get nurtured by your organic content and get targeted by your retargeting ads. They will also move over to the next stage of your funnel, which is YouTube, and build up the 7-hour rule. So the 7-hour rule states that it takes approximately 7 hours for a prospect to turn into a paying client. Someone needs to watch your content for at least 7 hours. Okay, so it's going to build up that 7-hour rule. They're going to keep getting retargeted by your content and ads until they're ready to book in a call. Okay, and you can also reach out to anyone who interacts with your content, your short form content, and book them in on a call using the SDSC framework, which is seeing where they're at right now. So see where they're at, see where they want to get to, so their desired outcome, see what's stopping them from getting there, and along the way they're going to reveal pain points which you can use as leverage. And don't sell the service in the DM, sell the call. So you want to incentivize people to actually hop on a call with you. So don't just say, oh, yo, I've got this. It will help you. Let me hop on a call with you. No, you've got to incentivize them. So be like, yo, my client was struggling with the same things. He implemented this simple thing and it got him to desired outcome. For example, I would love to arrange a call so I can run you through it. Just a free call running you through everything. I think it would definitely help, and I can also help you just implement a few things, and then boom, they're going to want to hop on the call because you're incentivizing them to hop on the call. Okay, then on the call, you can just structure it where it's like, I will be asking a few questions, just going to be straight up. I will be offering my offer at the end. If you want to go ahead, great. If you don't, completely fine. But we'll get to that when it comes to it. Okay, and then you can just give value and then close them. Okay, this is going to close them. Okay, so this is the exact content strategy I use and my clients use. My client made 6.5k with 7 subscribers on YouTube. 7 subscribers, which is insane. My client booked multiple calls. Aaron booked multiple calls from this strategy. My client Craig made 11k in 9 days, and 2 of my clients got to 100k followers each with this strategy as well on Instagram. So it's insane. Okay, and I was getting 10 million views a month with this, and I was also but just remember, views do not matter. I'm just saying, because I do know about social media, that I was getting 10 million views a month. I scaled my own account to 22k followers. I've closed multiple clients, high ticket clients with this strategy, so it works. Okay, so anyway, hope you got some value from this video. If you are an online coach with a solid offer, you have a few testimonials to back that offer up, and you're making at least 10 to 15k a month plus, and you want to scale, you want to get more clients, you want to build a one-of-one personal brand and have everything done for you. So the only things you really have to do is film and script once every single month. If you are interested in that, I'd love to speak to you in more detail about how we could possibly help you. So you can book a call with a second link in the description. None of those sales tactics. We'll just hop on a call, we'll ask you some questions, we'll give you some value, see if we can even help, and then at the end we will offer our offer, and we can just go from there. If you want to go ahead, great. If you don't, it's completely fine, and we're keep in touch. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you are interested in that offer, just book a call with the second link in the description. Subscribe, everything like that. Also check out the pinned comment. There's a lot of free trainings there that you can just watch. But yeah, hope you got some value from this. Peace.